Yo, what's good? I see y'all made it, man. Woo! A lot of people didn't do it, but I'm glad you got here. Anyway, yo, check out the 2020 pre-sale items that we got going sale for you now. Just go up and type in squaredrootsgardening.com. That's with the www or without it. Okay? It'll bring you to this page that you see here, and we've made this so simple. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through the site real quick and let you see what it is. It's a very simple site, very easy to use, user-friendly, and we are adding a lot of items. So please do not think that this is all that we have here, okay? Because we've got a grip of stuff to show y'all. So how it works is, let's say you see something like, for instance, this pre-order LSU fig with some of my plant partners have already got their hands on. Click there, it'll bring you to the page. And also now we have payments available, so make sure to read up on that if you need it. But other than that, we have went all out to make sure that you completely understand how to grow these plants, the requirements that they need so that you and your family can get the best crop possible, and even some knowledge points to help you with bigger and better harvests. Every time that you get on a page, we'll have that. And then on top of that, we've got these great pictures. So you click on the picture, it'll expand it for you. So you see exactly what you'll be getting, okay? Let's get back a little bit. Let's say you're interested in, the new red satin tea, specific, exclusive blend to Garden Mag. So again, we've got it with stevia, we've got it without stevia. Just click and find out. It comes in 2 ounces and 4 ounces. We're still trying to get things all the way set up here. But again, it's got everything you need. It's got the beautiful picture so you can see the deep red pigment. It'll show you exactly the ingredients that we use, that we worked with the Master Tea Blender on to make this as healthy as possible for you. And after that, we'll just go ahead and go back. We do have all the details on there as well. As you scroll down through here, like I said, there's other things here, but some other categories that we have right now is, we've got house plants, which we're updating right now. You're absolutely gonna love that. We have fell in love with house plants. We've got our garden mat gear, of course, you know how we do. Hoes love my twig and berries, because without these hoes, the twig and berries wouldn't grow. You know what I'm saying? And since it's a little bit cooler, hey, if you got tea or you got coffee or anything that you want to enjoy, hey man, we got the coffee mug for you, okay? Comes in multiple colors. Enjoy yourself with it, because you gotta be able to find humor in the harvest. Smell me? All right, so last but not least, we have a lot of people's favorite spot, which we are very, very limited on items here, but clearance items. These clearance items are up to 70% off right now. So if you see anything in the clearance item, make sure to click on there, check out the pictures, check out the descriptions, everything. All right, for instance, this Red Prince Weigela shows you right here what it is. It has the name, the best way to grow it, what it's good for, all that. So I hope that this has been easily understandable for you, and it gives you an option to beat the late season rush or early spring rush to get the plants, crops, and trees that you're looking for. So again, go to squaredrootsgardening.com, click on there, see you soon.